This is your homework helper, Mrs. Anderson. Today I will help you with Lesson 7, Three-Dimensional Figures. Please have your homework page ready and let's begin. All right, looking at the faces, edges, and vertices of the ramp, and then we'll be able to identify the shape of the ramp. Okay, a face is the flat side on each, the flat piece on each side is our face. Our edges are along here, the edges, and our vertices are the points or the corners. Okay, so this figure has 5 faces. There's here one on the bottom, and then on 3 sides since there's a triangle here. Okay, the edges, there's 9 edges. We could count 3 on this side, 3 on the other side, and then 1 here, and 1 below on the bottom. And this has 6 vertices. 1, 2 on this end, and 1, 2, 3, 4 on the back end. Okay, and this is a triangular prism. So what I'd like you to do is write faces, edges, and vertices, and write how many of each. And then below, I'd like you to write the name of the 3D figure. So here my faces are the flat pieces. So this whole piece is a face, this is a face, this is a face. So you'll count how many faces there are. You'll count the edges, which are the lines, each one of these lines. Count how many edges there are, and count how many corners there are, how many vertices here. Count how many there are, and then you'll write down what it is. Well, I can tell, since there's a rectangle here, and then there's 4 of them, 4 rectangles, that this is going to be a rectangular prism. Okay, and here I'm going to count the faces, the edges, and the vertices again, and then tell the name of this 3-dimensional figure. Okay. Brett made a simple drawing of his house. It is a 3-dimensional figure with 4 faces that are rectangular and 2 that are square. What kind of figure is it? Okay, I'm going to draw a picture of it. Well, he made a simple drawing of his house. It has 4 faces that are rectangular, so possibly like this. And then it has 2 that are square. Here's a square up on top. Okay, so you're going to write down what kind of figure it is. A toy box has 6 faces that are squares. There are 12 edges and 8 vertices. Identify the shape of the toy box. So you'll write the name of that 3D figure. Gabriel is playing a board game. When it's his turn, he tosses a 3-dimensional figure that has 6 square faces. What kind of figure is it? How many edges and vertices does it have? Okay. And write that down. And the next part, fill in the blank with the correct term or number to complete the sentence. A vertex is a point where blank or more edges meet. That would be where 2 or more edges meet. Okay. Which statement is true about the 3-dimensional figure that most closely represents the slice of pie? It has 4 vertices. It has 6 vertices. It has 8, or it has 9. Well, this is going to be 1. This will be 1. Okay, and you'll count here and on the back. So go ahead and count and choose the best answer. Thanks for watching this homework helper video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me tomorrow at school.